guys, what's up? So we're waiting for our room to be ready, and they said we could change in the gym and like shower in the gym. My face looks really greased up, but that's just a ton of sunscreen. But I figured I'd show you the gym. It's actually really nice. So whenever you walk in, there's a locker room, there's all my junk, but you know, restrooms. But this is what I wanted to show y'all. There's a freaking jacuzzi, bomb, right? There's a dry sauna, which is amazing. You don't get that in, like, I don't know, I feel like whenever you're traveling, you don't get that, or I've never noticed. And then there's a wet sauna. What the heck? This is so nice. So I'm definitely gonna use that. They have towels, showers. Such a cute little gym here. And then outside, like the women's locker room, there's like obviously workout equipment. Then I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. Let me actually go over to the full length mirror. All right, you can see me a little bit. Let's go closer. Let's see how good this works. I am wearing my two-piece Forever 21 set, my I think it's Montserrat, New York earrings. Really cute. Let me zoom in on that. My two-piece set. Ooh, there's a little smudge on the mirror. Look a little bigger for some reason today, but my orange sandals. This has the cutout. Here's this. And then at the back, I had Daryl come in and tie it really quick, but I just have a clip in my hair because it is a little windy out there, so I just don't want to be choked by my hair while I'm trying to eat and drink. Yep, but this is the outfit.
Like, I ain't got no socks right now. Nah, we're gonna have to take it whenever I get a new pair of socks. Clean it. You gotta come from this thing too.
So Daryl's shoes got swept up by the ocean.
Man, give me a picture.
Who's so this guy? You look hot. Oh yeah. Wow. Had to go get some ice cream. It's too dang hot out here. Daryl was trying to make sure I got a waffle cone, but their machine broke, so I got a cup. It's okay. It's fire though. I got Rocky Road. I love Rocky Road. I love the marshmallows. They're my favorite. Our hotel is so cute. It's adorable out here. They have a trolley. Right, so here's our entry to our room. Oh my gosh, we have a full suite. Here's our bedroom, closet, big bed. There I am. TV. We have a ensuite bathroom, which is nice. Can you turn that on? Wow. Okay, and then outside the bathroom, we have our hallway. Another bathroom. Wow, who are we? Full kitchen. This is crazy. We have a huge ass kitchen. Turns up, we have another closet where we have our goodies. And then our living room. Our living room. We have a beautiful balcony. Wow. We have a little courtyard view here, which is nice. Such a vibe. So here's a quick closet tour. I have everything like laid out so they could de-wrinkle. I brought just some beat up Adidas sneakers, some like strappy, like, I don't know, spring type gold heels. I have these Schuts clear, like wedge heel. My Hermes orange sandals. I have those platform, like woven sandals. For handbags, I have like this tote. I have another Fear of God tote here. I have my little Teflar. Brought like this little set here, a 3-piece set. I brought just silky black shorts and a simple tank. I'll probably wear that whenever we're like leaving. I have my ruched like gray taupey dress. I have my orange pants and my white tank. A green cutout dress, really cute. I also have like this stretchy blue dress I brought just in case. Have a cute House of CB one shoulder ruched dress. Y'all have seen this before. I have this dress from Forever 21. It's like this long pattern dress. I've worn this before on another trip, but I didn't take any photos, so I figured why not bring it out. And then I just have my white button down that I'm going to use as a cover up. And then I have all my swimsuits like tucked away in here. And I've been using like to travel these, I don't know, they're like a Ziploc bag and you suck out all the air. And let me tell you, they freaking work. They do their magic. They do their thing. Because I was able to fit all of that comfortably and still have space to bring home anything I need to bring home. Outfit of the night. I did a simple braid because my hair got really frizzy. I'm wearing this Forever 21 dress in a large, super cute. I also have it in black. My orange sandals again, just a big tote that I got from the thrift store. I did a little thrift store haul on TikTok. Coffee, mimosas on the way, of course. The ocean again. And it's like a whole buffet, so you can pick whatever you want. But this is what I chose. I did a bagel, scrambled eggs, bacon, potatoes, cream cheese, and pineapple. So day number 2, we're at the mall. It looks abandoned on the outside, but there's stuff inside, so let's show you what there is. The marina right outside of the mall. Stunning. Look at all the boats. There he is.
Hey.
That's how he does his work. Oh my god, I almost dropped my phone out here. I'm sweaty, but look at these beautiful little villas. Yeah.
On your feet, huh? Was you recording me saying that? Yeah, I know. I'm good. Yeah. Okay, see if it's cold. I'll test it out for
I got a Thrust Lunches strawberry cake. I haven't filmed too much today because, I don't know, I forgot to, but we're back at the resort now having a little snack. Just a quick dinner outfit. I have my Montserrat earrings, Monica Vinader jewelry, BP tank, Forever 21 orange pants, orange sandals, and a black YSL. I know it doesn't really match, but I want to be a little bit more comfortable for dinner. We're going to a seafood spot, so I can't wait, but this is my only nice handbag I brought because it's pretty durable and I didn't want to mess up anything. Come on, let's go to dinner. Let's find our Neptune restaurant. Ooh, the sky's beautiful. Ooh, headed to Neptune. How fun! Massage. It was insane. Look at my hair. I'm gonna pass out here. But it was $40 off the beach. You can see it there in the background. It's amazing. So if you ever come out here to Cabo, you gotta get that $40 beach massage. It's the best. That's the place. It's right over there in those cabanas. It's amazing. $40 for an hour.